Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair with a straightener. First, I pull pieces that are just like need straightening. So I've pulled those pieces. I'm just going to straighten them because they got wet in the shower. So this is like 3-day unwashed hair, and that holds the curl better. And you'll see. Okay, so like looking at the mirror right now too. Alright, so you just straighten those pieces, and then like all this is my real hair. Okay, so I brush out my hair. She can't really curl anything. Okay, so now we have the hair we want. Okay, and now I'm just gonna part it down the middle, or roughly down the middle, and okay, so roughly down the middle, and then I always work from the back to the front. So I'm just going to take some sections like this and put the rest up. Okay, so I'll work with the section first. Okay, so I take a piece, I straighten it a little bit first because it's a little rough. Okay, and then I start the curling process. So I flipped my straightener. I don't know if you saw that, so I'll do it again. Hold on. And you just slowly run it through. Okay, I'll show you again, because that wasn't a really good demo. Okay, so you take the piece you want. I'm going to straighten it again. Let's help. Okay. I take where I want it, I flip the straightener around, and I pull the hair down. So I hope that was a slow enough motion to show you guys. So I'm gonna do this to my whole head. And I'll show you, I'll do the reverse way, because I like my curls out and not towards my face, but away from my face. So I'll show you what that's like. When I get to the other side, I'll take your curler, and I twisted away from my face, the opposite direction. Okay? So I'll show you how that turns out. Like both sides going different ways. Form a little bit, and ta-da! Alright, let's do the rest. Okay, so I finished my hair. My camera started to die when I was doing this side, so I just did what I could. But I wanted to save the battery to show you guys how I style it. So once I'm all done, I just go back and see if there's any pieces. And so I see this piece that I missed. So I'm just going to quickly do this. Alright. There we go. Okay, and now I'm going to style it. So you can leave your hair, you know, like this. I like to massage my scalp at the roots and add some volume. I don't put anything in my hair though. And then I do a hair flip like so. I brush through the curls, finger curls, finger brush, get it a little bit more voluminous. I bring this part down some, and the different waves will bring even more texture and volume to the hair. So, like I said, just do a little bit of that. And then I don't have bangs at all, and I don't want them, but just sort of grew out of that. When you flip your hair to the side like this, it sort of kind of creates the effect that you do. Okay. And now I just want to lay, okay, that's where we're at right now. Okay, I just want to lay my edges down a little bit. So I'm gonna just use some gel, some edge control, and put that right here. And then I'm gonna just take a really nice brush and lay these edges down. There. That's it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I don't even know if it was a tutorial. I don't even know if it helped, but I just had fun making it. So, alright, have a good day. Bye.